Hello my colleagues, in today's video we will be looking at the soon to be launched Hamster Kombat, one of the largest and most successful Telegram clicker games. Before I proceed further into this video, I want you to throw away everything you know about Hamster Kombat and watch this video like you are a noob that have never heard about it before, as in this video I will try my possible best from scratch to break down the necessary details about this particular airdrop. In this video, I will cover what Hamster Kombat is all about. I will do a deep dive into its listing and break down if the coin would flop or not. I will also explain the investment consideration of Hamster Kombat, helping you understand if you should hold the coin or not after its listing. That's actually if they are going to list on the 26th. We will also try to look at what the future holds for Hamster Kombat. Then, based on the information that we are going to gather so far in this video, I will give you my prediction on whether Hamster Kombat will flop or not. Do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join my business and investing community. Link will be in the description and comment section. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. So, what is Hamster Kombat really all about? Hamster Kombat is a viral Telegram-based crypto game where you can mine hamster coins by managing a virtual crypto exchange. So in the game, you play as the CEO of Hamster, a fictional crypto exchange, aiming to boost your exchange business to the top of the industry. You achieve this by investing in marketing, licenses, talent, new products, and more. The Hamster Kombat game offers a unique mix of fun and strategy, with the promise of a hamster token launch and airdrop on the open network Ton. Now the question is, what role does the hamster token really play? Well, according to the Hamster Kombat team, the hamster token is designed to revolutionize the gaming industry by blending the best of Web 2 and Web 3 experiences. Now here's the kicker. The number of hamster tokens you have, you determine what you can access within the Hamster Kombat game. This means that the more tokens you have, the more exclusive features or will I say benefits you unlock in the game, like special upgrades, items, or abilities. And that brings us to the next important point: token availability and the airdrop. Initially, the Hamster Kombat team had targeted July for the token generation event TGE, which is like a special occasion when the token officially launch. The TGE typically marks the beginning of an airdrop where tokens are distributed to users. However, due to some technical issues related to the game's massive user base, the TGE and airdrop were delayed. But even before the airdrop, as of August 1st, pre-market trading for the hamster token had already started on several major crypto exchanges, including OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, BitGet, and KuCoin. This shows that there is already strong interest in the token, even before it officially launches. The full listing of Hamster on major exchanges is expected to happen between September and October. Right after the airdrop, the initial price of Hamster at launch is expected to be around $0.01. Some top crypto analysts predict that the price of Hamster Kombat's hamster token could rise to $0.05 by the end of 2024, which means a significant gain for early investors. This positive outlook is driven by the project's innovative blend of gaming and blockchain technology, as well as its very strong and massive community base and support. Now let's talk about the most exciting part for players and potential investors in Hamster token, which is the airdrop, and how you can maximize your token rewards. You see, unlike previous airdrops, Hamster Kombat won't just give you tokens based on the number of in-game coins you accumulate. Instead, the airdrop will consider various ways that you engage with the game. Here's a breakdown of the key factors that will determine the number of tokens you get during the airdrop allocation. The first thing that will determine your allocation is 1. Passive income. You see, in Hamster Kombat, players can reinvest their coins to boost their profit per hour rate. The more strategically you manage this reinvestment, the more points you earn. So it's not just about hoarding your coins and trying to play smart, but it's all about smartly upgrading your game to increase your earnings. The next is the earn tax. You see, as a Hamster Kombat player, you can also earn extra points by completing in-game tasks such as watching YouTube videos and doing daily check-ins. These small activities can really add up, contributing significantly to how many tokens you will get. So if you are already doing this, keep it up. The third thing is friends. This game, Hamster Kombat, rewards social players. So if you invite new players to join the game and they actively play, your points go up. So the more friends you bring in and encourage to play, the more tokens you could potentially earn. Coming next is achievements. Like in many games, reaching certain milestones or unlocking new features will get you to earn extra rewards. Every time you achieve something significant in Hamster Kombat, you increase your share of the tokens in the airdrop. The fifth contributor is their Telegram channel. Another way to boost your rewards is by subscribing to the official Hamster Kombat Telegram channel. This shows your engagement with the community, which is a key factor in getting more tokens during the airdrop. And finally, keys and puzzle mini games. Hamster Kombat recently introduced daily puzzle mini games where players can earn additional points by solving them. This makes the game more interactive, and completing these puzzles will bump up your token rewards. So with all of these factors in mind, it's clear that how much you earn in the airdrop will be based on your overall engagement with the game and the community. So it's not just about playing a lot, but playing smartly and being active in multiple aspects of the game. Finally, let's dive into whether you should hold onto your hamster tokens after they are listed on major exchanges. Like I mentioned earlier, there's a whole lot of optimism around Hamster Kombat due to its combination of gaming and blockchain technology. But as with many investments, there are risks. You see, the crypto market can be very, very volatile. And while analysts are predicting positive growth, it's essential to do your own research and decide how much risk you are willing to take. That being said, Hamster Kombat is tapping into two major trends, gaming and cryptocurrency, both of which are actually growing rapidly. If the game's community continues to grow and the token integrates well into the game's economy, there is a good chance that the price could increase on the long run. On the short run, there are high chances that when the token, after the airdrop, that the price might dip as many people might want to sell off and take their money. But if you really believe in Hamster Kombat, then you want to hold on to your airdrop and hold them. And hopefully when they pump next year or ending of the year or later this year, you get to make much more money. So to wrap up things, here are the key things you need to know. One is that Hamster Kombat is a fun strategic game where you run a virtual crypto exchange and aim to be the top hamster CEO. The second thing is that the hamster token plays a key role in the game and will be officially listed after the airdrop. The third thing is that there are many ways to maximize your airdrop rewards, from in-game achievements to inviting friends and solving puzzles. And while the future looks bright for Hamster Kombat, it's always good to approach any crypto investment with caution. Thanks for sticking around. Smash that like button, subscribe, and join my business and investing community through the link in the description. So what do you think? Will Hamster Kombat flop or fly? Let me know in the comment section, and until next time, see you. They will.